Mu point theory in scalp acupuncture. According to classical mu point theory, mu points are primarily locations where
B. Zhangfu and Meridian energies collect.
which statement best explains why RAN 12 Tsungwon is effective for stomach disorders.
C. It is the front mu point of the stomach located over the stomach region.
Mu point theory in scalp acupuncture is primarily based on the concept that scalp regions
B. Serve as gathering points reflecting and influencing body functions.
which principle from TCM provides a theoretical basis for mu point theory in scalp acupuncture.
C. The brain is residence of the Yuan Shen.
The scalp is viewed as one type of system in mu point theory,
D. Microsystem representing the entire body.
which of the following is not listed as a correspondence of scalp zones.
D. Genetic inheritance patterns.
A patient presents with discoloration and tenderness over a scalp mu area. According to mu point theory, this may indicate
D. Underlying pathological conditions.
which finding is not a diagnostic abnormality in scalp mu areas.
D. Muscle hypertrophy.
Therapeutically, needling scalp mu areas is believed to accomplish all except
D. Permanently regenerate damaged neurons.
which scalp region is associated with the heart, lung, and mental functions.
C. Frontal.
The parietal region is primarily associated with
D. Spleen, stomach, and limbs.
which organ pair corresponds to the temporal region.
B. Liver and gallbladder.
The occipital region is associated with
A. Kidney, bladder, and sensory functions.
which scalp region is linked to the governing vessel and yang regulation.
C. Vertex.
Which condition illustrates the application of mu point theory?
C. Paralysis due to brain damage.
Which clinical application is listed for mu point theory?
D. Stroke rehabilitation.
Which of the following is not a clinical application?
D. Genetic counseling.
Modern scalp acupuncture systems developed by whom emphasize cortical functional areas?
C. Chow Tung Fa.
Mu point theory complements modern scalp acupuncture by
C. Integrating organ meridian correspondence with cortical localization.
which concept best describes the relationship between mu point theory and neurophysiology?
B. Mu point theory incorporates modern functional brain mapping.
According to the theory, organ dysfunction can
Manifest on the scalp. B.
which statement best reflects the holistic nature of mu point theory?
B. The scalp reflects both neurological and systemic conditions.
Altered electrical conductivity in a scalp mu area is considered
C. A potential diagnostic indicator.
which statement most accurately distinguishes scalp mu points from traditional front mu points?
C. Scalp move points function as therapeutic zones rather than classical chest abdominal points.
The ultimate clinical significance of Moo point theory is the view that the scalp serves as
B. A therapeutic microsystem connecting brain organs and body functions.